everybody. Markzware's Q2ID QuarkXPress to Adobe InDesign is now out with QuarkXPress 2018 support. That's right, now you can import your QuarkXPress 2018 and lower files, right down to version 4 I believe it is, way back when, right into Adobe InDesign CC 2018 or lower, even your CS5 files. It's a one-click process. It's extremely accurate. We strive for 100% accuracy and conversion, but some things might need touching up depending on if you have all your fonts, or some elements might shift. And of course some of this is just basic desktop publishing stuff you need to double check. But don't believe what I have to say how great Q2ID is. Look what the customers have to say. It's a highly rated product, 5-star rated product with many reviews from customers that use Q2ID with one click. Here's a recent interview with a customer we just had.
Q2ID is just so simple to use. The fact that you can open a Quark file and it immediately becomes an InDesign file, and then you go from there, is what makes it work so well.
Excellent.
If you need more information, cruising over to www.markzware.com today and check out the Q2ID product page. Q2ID now out with QuarkXPress 2018 support to open your Quark files right into Adobe InDesign. Thank you, David Dilling from Markzware, wishing you a fantastic day.